Welcome to Stevie's Kitchen. As a former NFL player, you would think that you want your kid to follow in your footsteps, and don't get me wrong, I still do. But there's something else that came to mind once I had my son, and I wanted to be known as, for him and all of his friends, as the person who makes the best chocolate chip cookies. So getting started with making the best chocolate chip cookies, I have 16 ounces or 1 pound of butter, and then we're gonna put it in our pan and we're gonna make brown butter. It's gonna take about 5 to 6 minutes, and the beauty about brown butter, it just adds this nutty flavor to your cookies, and it's something that just takes it to a whole nother level. So I'm just gonna put this in here. I have my pan on medium to high heat, and then we're just gonna let it cook. I'm gonna continuously stir it until you're gonna start seeing it bubble and get a little frothy, and that's when you know it's gonna be done. And the aroma that is gonna give off, you're gonna really tell.
Daddy, what are you doing next?
All right, so now that the butter has been browned, I'm just gonna take it off the heat, and I'm gonna put it into a separate bowl, because now you want this butter to cool before you start mixing in your sugar. So now that you got your butter cooled, we're gonna get started. We're gonna cream our butter and sugar together.
Oh, hey, Daddy.
So we got a cup of brown sugar going in here. So I'm just gonna do 2 half cups, firmly packed. Then we're gonna do a half cup of white sugar. Then we're gonna do a tablespoon of vanilla. We're just gonna put this in here for right now. Then we're gonna get our beater out, and we're just gonna cream all this together. So now once we got that creamed together, we're gonna take 1 egg, separate ramekin. 1 egg's gonna go in. Then we're gonna mix this together. Then we're gonna add in a cup of sourdough. Yes, believe it or not, my son loves sourdough baked goods.
Yeah.
Do you love sourdough, buddy?
Yeah. I love flour.
Daddy's making your cookies. So now that we got all this in, we're gonna give it one last mix. So now that we got all our wet ingredients together, let's get started on the dry. I'm gonna bring out my special guest to help me for this one. All right, buddy, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see. So we're going, how much? We're doing, we got our bread flour. So we're gonna put in 1.5 cups of bread flour. Buddy, press the button. One more time. There we go. You excited?
Huh?
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Good. And it's done. So move this to the side.
That's a volcano. That's a volcano.
All right, buddy. Can you pour in the cup of cake flour for us now?
Yeah.
Oh, yep, keep going, keep going. There we go. Thank you. So we have 1.5 cups of bread flour, 1 cup of cake flour. I like to use a mixture of my flour. It gives it a light but still firm cookie, so they're gonna be nice and soft whenever you get ready to eat them. And then now we're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You gonna help me out, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, pour that in for me. Good job. All right, let's get the baking powder out now. 1 cup of baking powder, down, there we go. Okay, so let's get this out the way. Are you gonna help Daddy mix?
Yeah.
You gonna use the mixing? You gonna use the mixer for Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put this right here.
Let's get a scientist.
So now we're just gonna get all of our dry ingredients mixed in with our wet.
Okay.
You got it? Use both hands, remember, both hands on. There you go. Good job. Here, Daddy will help you with the bowl. All right.
What are we making?
What are we making?
Cookies.
Exactly. You already know.
That's a volcano.
Hmm?
That's a volcano.
The volcano?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That is a volcano.
All right. So we got it all mixed together. You see any white spots? You see any more flour left?
Nope.
All right, perfect.
I don't see them.
You don't want to see any flour. That means we did it right. What do we need to add to make chocolate chip cookies? What do we need to add to this to make chocolate chip cookies? This is a tough one. What do we need to add? We have cookie dough without chocolate chips.
Oh, I had it.
What do we need to add? Well, do you want to come help Daddy add the chocolate chips? Can you say 11 ounces?
11 ounces.
So we need 11 ounces of chocolate chips.
Oh,
Yeah. So we're going to add in 11 ounces of chocolate chips, right?
yeah.
All right. You going to pour them in for me?
Oh, yeah.
All righty. Pour them all in. Oh, good job. So I'm going to take my spatula and fold them in.
I want to help with that.
You want to help? Okay, go for it. There we go.
Where's Bubby?
So you just want to fold the chocolate chips around until they get nice and incorporated all throughout the batter.
Yeah. Nice chocolate cookies.
So you ready to get the scoop out?
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to put some parchment paper down, and we're going to get a 3-ounce scoop, and we're just going to make little cookie balls. Trust me, it's going to seem tedious at the beginning, but at the back end, it's going to be the best way. They're almost turned into break and bakes, because after I scoop them out, I put them in the fridge and let them cool down a little bit, and then into the oven. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Boom.
That's count them with me. How many are down right now?
1, 2,
What is this?
3.
There we go. We got number 7.
7.
You want to do some scooping?
Yeah.
All right, your turn. Put it right here. Squeeze it. Big and strong. Oh, there you go. There you go. You got it. You got it. You got it. You gotta let go. You gotta let go. There you go.
With me, I want to get big and strong.
You want to get big and strong?
Yeah.
Who you trying to get big and strong like?
Daddy.
Like Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay. Squeeze. Squeeze right here. There you go.
I'm big and strong.
You are big and strong. After we finish scooping them all out in our 3-ounce balls, where are they gonna go? Correct. So now that we finished scooping all the cookies, they're gonna go into the fridge for at least an hour or so to cool down, and then we'll place them in the oven and bake them from there. You ready? So now that we have our cookies cooled, just like I said, they're like break and bakes. So we're just gonna put them on the pan and into the oven.
In the oven.
So now that we got all our cookies on the pan, I got my oven preheated to 350, put these cookies in for 11 minutes, and then they'll be ready to go. So when the cookies come fresh out the oven, I got a little flaky sea salt and just gonna sprinkle on top. You wanna make sure you do this right when they come out the oven so the salt sticks. We'll see if my special guest star finishes his dinner so he can try his favorite dessert. Hey, buddy. Since you finished your dinner, you gonna take it? Here. Take a bite and tell me what you think. You didn't have to hand it back to me. Is it good? Is it nummy? Is it your favorite? Here we go. That's what I like to hear. Here, you can hold it. You can keep your own cookie. But, nice soft cookie. Cheers.
Cheers. It's really good.
Really good?
Those cookies for him?
For me?
Mm.
Well, as you can tell, son approves, I approve. Wait till you make them, you'll approve too.